Hi everyone, welcome to Future of Agriculture. Today I want to share a simple idea that can save you a lot of time, money and stress. The idea is, in farming, AI wins fastest off the field. In packhouses, logistics, finance, maintenance and audits. I know that's not the usual headline. Most people picture drones over orchards, and yes, we speak about them as well. And robots in the rows, yeah, that's true, they exist. Those are exciting and they will matter. But if you are looking for results, these days, this year, and now, the action is in the operations backbone that moves produce from harvest to customer. Let's set the scene. Fields are messy, living systems. Weather changes, light changes, canopy shapes change, pests surprise you, sometimes not very pleasantly. Labels are fuzzy and the truth takes time to arrive, maybe weeks later at harvest or in a lab report. In contrast, a packhouse is a controlled environment. Lighting is stable, cameras see at the same angles, barcodes are scannable, scales tell the truth right now. That is where AI thrives. Low entropy, clear feedback, repeatable tasks. Think about truth labels. In the field, you often discover if your decision was right only at the end of the season. In a packhouse, truth is immediate. Did the label pass or fail? What's the right weight? What defect did the camera see? That instant feedback is AI's favorite teacher. The model learns, you adjust, and you see the effect in hours, not months or years. And then there is data exhaust, the trails your operations already produce. Conveyors, graders, chillers, scales, PLCs, scanners, and QC tablets. They all emit timestamps, counts, alarms, rejects, and notes. AI is basically a digestion engine for that exhaust. The more consistent the exhaust, the better the digestion. Guess which side has more of it? Yes, it's the packhouse. There is also a practical ethics angle. Field AI nudges decisions with a wider ripple effect. Soil, water, biodiversity, livelihoods. Those are big levers. Inside the packhouse, nudges are smaller and reversible. Adjust a tolerance, change a label rule, reschedule a shift. You can experiment safely and learn fast. And finally, respect the craft. Agronomy is part science, part art. Generations build excellence that work under uncertainty. Let AI first carry the paperwork and counters, the heavy admin that drags your day, before we hand it to the steering wheel in field. So where do you start? First, package and quality control. Computer vision does three good, unglamorous, and powerful things. It counts defects and labels. It spots over or underfill, flags damaged fruit, checks the barcode and date code, and reduces rework. That flows straight to class 1 yield, giveaway and chargeback avoidance. Very boring but very profitable. Second, logistics and cold chain. Use demand forecasts to shape your pack plan and crew roster. Let simple models suggest routes and highlight cold chain anomalies from temperature logs. It's all about OTIF, on time, in full. If you ship on time and in spec, life gets easier. Third thing, finance and admin. OCR and language models read invoices, match them to POs and delivery notes, and draft postings for approval. Think of it as an assistant that never gets tired of tiny details. Your back office will thank you. Fourth part, maintenance. Turn PLC logs into downtime summaries. Group stoppages by cause. Predict which part is likely to fail on the grader, the compressor, or the chiller. A single avoided stoppage can fund the whole pilot. Fifth, compliance and traceability. Ask your documents is a game changer. Chat with your SOPs, specs, audit reports. Run a quick GAP check against BRCGS or GlobalG.A.P. When auditors arrive, you know exactly where you stand, and you are already closed issues. If you take one thing from this episode, let it be this: start where AI has the best footing, low variability, fast feedback, clear truth. That's the Packhouse. Win there, then carry the lessons and the profit back into field. If you found this useful, share it with someone running a Packhouse or a fresh produce desk, and send me your biggest off-field pain point. For example, labor errors on 250 grams of berries, or invoice backlog, chiller alarms, or anything else. I'll turn a few into a simple 90-day plan you can actually run next month. Thanks for listening. This is AI in Agriculture. Speak to you soon.